How to make a moving wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then, tap on Photos from the options at the top. Here, go to the Live Photos section as shown. Select the photo you want from here. You can edit the text or widgets if you want. You can also change the size of the clock font as well. Once you're done, tap on Add Above. And then, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Following these steps, you can easily make a moving wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.